Hello everybody, so today I'm just gonna show you how to get 6 month free. So you have to join through this family link, right? So this is it. So then what you gonna do is type a username, um, then that's our Gmail. So let's get. So I have been sent verification password, verification name. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go on Gmail and let's check for it. So I have got that. So let me just paste it somewhere over here. Enter the code. So that's my code. So it would be on an so I have to type the password. So let me just confirm it. So next, I have to wait for the few seconds. Then that should create our so we need to create the secret key. So let's download the PDF and let's get back. Let's go on next. So if you want to invite it, so I could just use for now. So I have successfully entered it. So you will get the free trial for 183 days. So thank you guys.